The nature of intuition in Theosophy. A quick blast of Theosophy by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Intuition, as understood within the Theosophical framework, is not merely a fleeting feeling or a hunch. It is regarded as a higher form of knowledge that transcends the limitations of the intellect. Blavatsky posits that intuition is a direct perception of truth, an innate ability to grasp the essence of reality without the mediation of logical reasoning. This perspective aligns with the theosophical belief in the existence of a universal consciousness, where intuitive insights are seen as reflections of a deeper, interconnected reality. In this context, intuition serves as a bridge between the individual and the cosmos, allowing for a direct experience of spiritual truths. Blavatsky emphasizes that cultivating intuition is essential for spiritual development, as it enables individuals to access higher states of consciousness and gain insights that are not available through rational thought alone. This process often involves a deepening of one's inner awareness and a commitment to self-exploration, as individuals learn to trust their intuitive faculties and discern the subtle messages that arise from within.